Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. Yep, you're not in the stitchery. Once again. Life as a spoonie. What you gonna do? So, today we are answering more questions from you. And this is the, I guess, about me one. Although, they're all kind of about me, but these are kind of personal. So, sit back and relax and I'll answer your questions. So, I like the phrasing of this question. If I can ask a cheeky question, how old are you? I've been asked how old I am my whole life. I'm not gonna tell you because security reasons, but you're welcome to guess, and I will give you 3 hints. This is what I like to tell people. I can vote, I can drink in multiple countries, and I'm told I don't look my age. So you're welcome to guess how old I am, but I'm not going to tell you. I love playing those games at the fair where they have to guess your age. I always come home with a stuffed animal. They never get it right. When is your birthday? Again, not going to tell you, but the month is October. Okay? Yes. I'm an opal baby. What sign are you? Scorpio. There you go. There's your clues. Do you wear makeup? I wear it for pictures and I wear it for theater, but I don't wear it a lot because I'm allergic to pretty much every makeup product on the planet. My skin just really hates it, and mascara is very difficult, and that's the one I actually need to wear because I don't, my eyelashes are super pale. So where did you get your glasses? Well, thank you. I'm glad you like them. At least I hope that's what you mean. Costco. And the only other pair I wear is also from Costco. So yeah, Costco. Thank you for asking. I would love to know what part of the country you're in. Okay, well, first of all, yes, I am in the United States and I live in Georgia. But Georgia's pretty big, so that's all I'll tell you. Do you have any pets? No, not anymore. I had 2 dogs. One I had to give up when we moved to Alaska, and one I got in Alaska. She came with us here and she died. So, can you share with us some more about your corgi? Yes, you know what? I'll make a video about her. She was very special, so yes, I'll make another video about. I know who asked, and I'll make another video. Okay. How do you organize your days? Well, first of all, thank you for thinking I'm organized. I'm not. Oh, as you know, I struggle with some health issues, and that makes my days a little more challenging. So the way I organize my days is, first of all, I have alarms set on my phone, whether that's to take medication or to wake up or that I'm supposed to do something at a certain time. Without those alarms, I would be useless. And I have an app on my phone called MetaSafe, which, by the way, if you are a spoonie or you have a loved one who's a spoonie, everybody needs this app. It is amazing. It not only tells you when to take your meds, but it tells you interferences. And I'm not just talking other medications. It will tell you foods and drink that you cannot have near your medication, that little piece of paper that comes with your pills doesn't tell you. This app is amazing. There's a diary so you can track your symptoms. There's a, if you need to talk to a health professional, you can do that. You can figure out how to take your medication based on what can be near each other and what can't. You can figure out which ones need to be taken with food or not. And they will tell you every single side effect you can think of that piece of paper that comes with your meds doesn't tell you. It's an amazing app. I've had it for years. I've told other medical professionals about it. They now tell their patients about it. It's great, and it's free. I also have a pill container, which gives me 4 times a day versus the normal 2 or 3, so that I have my meds in the right compartments and I have the days of the week labeled on them, and those things actually help me figure out what day it is more than any calendar, because they're color coded, and that's how I do it. So even with all my health issues, that's the best way I know to organize myself. What are your biggest pet peeves? Well, I made an entire video about yarny pet peeves, which if I've posted it by now, I will put in the iCards above. But regular pet peeves, put your carts away, people. Don't put it in a parking spot. Don't put it next to the cart rack. Just put it away. It's not that hard. Please. I really hate it when it blocks a parking spot, especially. It's like somebody could use that parking spot. Come on, people. It's not that difficult. Just put your carts away. And yes, I mean like the shopping carts at the store. Just put them away. It's not that hard. Also, don't treat deaf people like they're stupid. They're not. In fact, I've met really intelligent deaf people. I worked with the deaf community. I worked for a deaf pastor for a while. They're not stupid. Don't talk louder. It doesn't help. And please, if you work for an airline, don't give them a braille menu. They're not blind, they're deaf. Big difference. I've seen both. It's ridiculous. Learn who you're talking to. What do you do outside of crochet? Like my hobbies? Before I had a nerve issue in my arm, I did archery, and golf. But I can't do either now. It's too painful. I still draw. I like to bake. I like to cook. I like to do research for all kinds of things. I really like doing research for Christmas gifts. I know it's a weird hobby, but it's fun. I have an entire YouTube account that I just save the people that will tell me awesome things to get as Christmas gifts, and I wait until a certain time of year, and then I go to that account and I'm like, okay, people, tell me what I need to buy. Yeah, I guess that's it. Final question. What brings you peace? This is a very interesting question, and thank you for asking. Honestly, the only thing that brings me true peace is the Holy Spirit. I'm not here to get preachy at you guys, but I am a Christian. I do believe that God changed my life, and I do believe that only God can bring you true peace. He has had miracle after miracle done in my life, which I can tell you guys about if you're interested, so let me know. I've witnessed it firsthand, so yeah. You can get joy somewhat in other places. You can get happiness in other places, but true peace, that only comes from the Holy Spirit. Well, that was a nice one to end on. So, thank you for watching. Hope you like these videos. I don't know. This is the easiest way for me to do it, so this is how I'm doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the Yarn Zebra family. I would love to have you back. I've got all kinds of videos on my channel. I've got flip-throughs where we look at books. I've got just stuff I've made. I've got tips and tricks. Go look at the playlists, all kinds of stuff. And then, of course, I've got more questions from you. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.